Okay, so I'm going to do a quick screencast here for you so that you can understand how to use QuickTime Player. So if you come here onto the magnifying glass spotlight search and just start typing quick, then it's going to bring up the QuickTime Player. This is an application that you have on your computer, and then the students will have it on their computers next year as well. So you can go ahead and open QuickTime Player, and then here you can go to File and notice that you can see that you can do a new movie recording, a new audio recording, or a new screen recording. It's grayed out because I'm actually using that function right now. So if I click on new movie recording, it's going to pull it up, and then as soon as I hit this red circle right here, the record, it will start recording. You can see that right now it's picking up my audio. If it wasn't doing that, then you can click this drop down and make sure that it is using the built-in microphone. It's the only option here, so it's defaulting to that. But if you're having issues, you can check that and make sure that that's working. So if I'm ready to record, I just hit the red button. You can see that it's starting to go, and I can do whatever you want to for your movie. So notice that if you look up straight, kind of right in the middle of your camera on the top of the screen, that's where your FaceTime camera is, and that's where you're going to get your actual movie. So if I'm done with my movie recording, I'm going to hit stop, and then I can just click the X on the movie, and then right there I'll be able to name it. So I could put like my sample movie. So this is just one more way besides the camera that the kiddos could save. So then they would click save. I'm not going to save this one. So the second option for QuickTime Player is an audio recording. So I would go new audio recording. So you're again getting the voice pickup here. I'm going to hit play. And notice it's starting to record, but again, it's just audio. It's not a movie recording at this point, so it's not going to use that FaceTime camera. When you're done with whatever the audio recording is, then you can stop right there. And then if I click the X, then it will push me to where I want to save it, rename it, and then let me choose where I want to save it to, and I can click save. Again, I'm not going to save here. And then my final one that is my favorite is the new screen recording. So if you click new screen recording, what it will do, it will also give you something that looks like this, but it will say screen recording, and it will be smaller up here in this corner. And then you can click it, and then it will tell you when you click the screen, it begins recording. And you'll know that you're recording because right up here, you can see that you have this black circle right there is the button that's going to show you that you are in your screen recording. So when I'm done with this recording, I'm going to click right here to end my recording, and then it will just pop back, and then I can click that red X again like I have for the other two examples and save it so that you can have that screencast recorded. So hopefully that gives you an easy idea of how you could give instructions, whether you want to do it with a movie or just an audio file for instructions, or if you want to show something or demonstrate on your screen, then the screencast or screen recording feature is wonderful. So thanks for listening.